Ashley, what do you got?
A coloring book.
Cool.
And I have made it too.
What do you got?
Cards, little cards. They're little cards. If they're little, big, so if they're little cards, then I can't but to see them. And look at what I got.
Cool.
More candy. Aha! There's a paper. There's a present that I have to open, I think. Oh!
Cool. You can learn how to add.
You already know how to add.
Cool. Pretend money.
And the money. Yes. 8. My stocking's all gone.
What is that, Ashley? Is that a wallet?
I don't know.
Are all of those yours, Carson?
Let me see.
As long as it has your name on it, you can open it.
Because I saw that this has my name on it. What is that? What is that? Whoa, that's a big thing. Okay.
Pretty cool.
Sea cake. I already have a sea cake. Santa's still in the roof.
Santa's still on the roof?
Huh?
You think Santa's still on the roof?
No.
Oh.
Santa's still on Earth.
On Earth?
Yeah. Earth the plane. Spider-Man! Spider-Man tag book.
Cool.
Do you know where my tag is?
Don't know. Sorry.
Dang it. I don't either.
That tastes good?
Oh, that's a heavy thing. Oh, it's books, I think. Because I feel a lot of things in here. Whoa, that's a lot of books. A really lot. I already know how to count to 100. Oh, there's a lot of books right here.
I guess the fence moved.